Hi there, Joe. So here's the mission as I explained. So we take off up to 256 feet, and I keep it at that altitude throughout the mission. It's full speed, as you can see, 33.6 miles an hour. Stay time 0. Now, one thing I must explain first is there obviously we can see it's 1.9 miles in 5 minutes. One thing I will explain is it's just by coincidence this 256 is obviously altitude above ground because we're in Litchi hub. So what I've done is drawn the same path in Google Earth. Now just to explain, as you move around in Google Earth you'll notice that the actual above sea level is about the same, 254 feet, which if you can see underneath where it says Google Earth in the bottom right hand corner down here. So that's just coincidence, okay, so you mustn't get the two mixed. So if I now right click on there, and I'll show you first the properties of the path, which is important. So what we've done here is just made a quick path. I've got it clamped to ground, altitude 0, yeah, nice and simple. And by my calculations, if you go down to here and it goes show elevation profile, now this is the elevation obviously above sea level, okay, so it's only just by coincidence you'll see it's 255 feet, which is very close to my actual flight altitude, but this is above sea level. And what's interesting here is if you wanted to say find the minimum ground clearance during this flight, I would go there where it says 210 310, so you get 256 minus 310, which is, as he does it now on his calculator, so it's, I'll choose 256 minus 310 equals, now that equals minus 54. So that means I'm 54 feet less altitude than from my takeoff point, which is safe. So that's easy to calculate. We're looking about 200 foot at its nearest ground clearance, and its maximum altitude is going to be down here, and so we go 256 minus 186 equals 70. So the highest it will be is 70 feet higher than 256 feet. So that would be 326 feet will be its highest altitude from the ground. And if you agree with me, just like this video, etc. Then I'll catch up with you really shortly.